Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Vocabulary Builder on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Vocabulary Builder saves your dictionary searches so you can go back and look at them later. It saves them in a list that you can look at, with the definitions to help build your vocabulary. There is also a flashcard option to make expanding your vocabulary even easier. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Reading Options. You can now tap the toggle to the right of Vocabulary Builder to enable and disable the option. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.